Hi everyone, welcome to week 4. It's Monday evening. I hope everyone had a good day. I just wanted to briefly check in, say hello, and let everyone know that actually on Wednesday, I'm not having my office hours. I have an appointment that I have to go to, and so I have to cancel them. I will have them on Friday, 10 to 12 normal time. If you need to meet with me, just send me an email and we could try to set something up for Wednesday or possibly Thursday, but definitely Friday I have my office hours. I also wanted to say, just regarding the discussions, everyone's doing a fantastic job. I think there are a lot of stressors with being at home, working from home, going to school at home, and I just wanted to, I don't want the discussion boards to be stressful, putting your face and image up there. And so I just wanted to show you 2 quick things that Flipgrid has that can help with that. So one is you could actually, you could eliminate yourself entirely, right? And then you just talk and your classmates and I will just see whichever picture you want to have up there. The other option is, if you come over here to the different filters, you could pixelate yourself, right? So I don't know if either of these will be helpful, but again, these are the different effects that are available. Let me go ahead and make myself no filter. So you've got these different effects, and the board, the whiteboard showing that, or a pixel or something is fine. A pixelated view is fine. Because I want these to be nothing that's too stressful. And that's that. So this week, I just want to show everyone what we're doing. The biggest thing this week, of course, is Essay 1 is due. So you do want to concentrate on that. There is this little quiz. It's set up as a quiz. It's just really a feedback. You'll all get 5 points. There's no right or wrong answer to any question. You get the 5 points if you do it. No discussion board, because I really want everybody to concentrate on Essay 1. And then the other thing is your first formal essay is, your first formal summary is due. So you want to review these materials here, and you're writing a summary of Steve Almond's essay and uploading it there. So that is all that we're doing this week. And if you have any questions, let me know. Everyone is doing a great job, really great job. I love the discussions on Flipgrid. Looking forward to reading all of your papers, and you got this, because you do. All right. See you later. Bye.